1. Earth's underground life could exist on Mars, scientists say. Researchers found that earthquake-driven rock fractures can power deep Earth life by splitting water into energy-rich compounds. 2. Scientists warn, Tintina Fault could unleash major earthquake. A major fault in Canada's Yukon Territory, long thought dormant, has shown signs of recent seismic activity. 3. Astronomers discover potentially habitable Earth-like planet just 35 light-years away. Scientists have confirmed a potentially habitable fifth planet in the nearby L98-59 system, revealing a diverse collection of rocky worlds that could harbor water or volcanic activity. 4. Study overturns decades-old dogma. Scientists discover hidden organization in gene regulation. Scientists have uncovered how a surprisingly structured protein helps disordered molecules regulate gene expression, upending previous ideas in molecular biology. 5. Can't hit 10,000 steps. Turns out you don't need to. 7,000 steps vs. 10,000, rethinking the daily goal. 6. A pill that makes your blood deadly to mosquitoes. It's real, and it works. A simple pill may be the latest breakthrough in the fight against malaria. 7. Researchers at the University of Maryland School of Medicine invent software fueled by genomics into mathematical models to predict cancer cell behavior. 8. Work led by scientists from the Università Cattolica del Sacro Cuore in Rome and Stanford University and published in JAMA Health Forum shows that vaccines have prevented the loss of 14.8 million years of life. 9. Researchers prove deep-sea fish excrete carbonates like shallow ones, validating their key role in Earth's carbon cycle. 10. A key brain receptor helps prevent Alzheimer's by enabling immune cells to destroy toxic protein plaques. Credit, Shutterstock. 11. A new study shows how sulfate and other salt ions reduce free water to improve the lifespan and performance of aqueous batteries. 12. Satellites just revealed a hidden global water crisis, and it's worse than melting ice. 13. Walking 7,000 steps a day can lower the risk of an early death by up to 47%. 14. Tiny air pollutants like PM2.5 and soot may stealthily boost your chances of dementia, according to new research spanning 29 million people. 15. A study shows AI can fail at ethical reasoning in medicine, misreading even simple scenarios if they're presented in unfamiliar ways. 16. The result foreshadows a leap in computational capabilities, leading researchers to reproduce the groundbreaking measurement. Thanks for watching this video.